Women are breaking boundaries through exercising choice. There is nothing more powerful than being able to exercise choice. And every time a woman challenges patriarchy, calls out misogyny, but more than anything else, just leads her most authentic life, the kind of life that fulfills the full potential of her existence, gives her the opportunity to really go out there and make something of her own for herself first and then everyone else. I think women are challenging boundaries. I say this with a lot of amusement, but it's probably been one of the most startling and most wonderful revelations of my own life and my own journey. When I was 25, if you had told me I'd be doing my best work at 40, I wouldn't have believed you. And I think I spent a lot of my 20s believing that opportunities would cease to exist for me once I crossed the age of 33, 34, that roles would dry up, that in a world that is just so ageist, I would not be able to, really and truly explore the full potential as an artist. And I'm doing my best work now, and I'm getting to be my true self. And I don't think we can ever truly know how amazing our life can be until we go out there and make it happen. I inked myself 2 years ago with a tattoo that basically reads Azad. And I did it because I discovered how liberating it can be to become fearless, and how limiting it is to live a life filled with fear. And I think what society does to us is that it is constantly conditioning fear into our lives. And I wish for every woman to find that beautiful state of fearlessness and do it anyway, even if you feel the fear. Because this is a powerful reminder for me every day, but I can't even begin to tell you how this has unchained me, and it's changed me, and it's given me more happiness and joy than I could have possibly ever imagined existed.